Hey everyone, so for this week I am going to be showing you one of my favorite photographers' website. She doesn't have an official website like a WordPress or a Wix or anything of that sort, but she does utilize Instagram. And so she's under the handle Kimberly, you can see right here. Yep. And she's amazing. I've been following her for roughly probably a year at this point. You may have seen her work. Possibly go viral. She goes viral quite often for her insane photography photo shoots that a majority of them are done in her bedroom. So if any of you are photographers and ever need inspiration, I definitely recommend looking at her website because often it is difficult to envision like being able to do a product or create such a piece such as this one, like low budget. And so for this one, actually, she like talked about how she didn't spend any money on this photo shoot because like she had paid for these previously for a different photo shoot, and so she just saves all of her materials and stuff like that. So I think it's really awesome. And the reason I say you should follow her is because she also shows her behind the scenes of her work. So you can see right here, literally her hot gluing, I guess a crepe paper to make a flower for her to sit in. So that was the process, and that's what it looked like, and that was the final product. So it really shows with correct lighting and editing, you can go a long way. This one was not her photographing, it was a different person, but her showing off her modeling skills, which I think is also really sick. But stuff like every single one of these is just her. She is an art director, or creative director, I should say, for all of her photo shoots. She does the set design, her makeup, her hair, everything is done by her. She does photo editing by herself. So that's all her right there. The process of creating one of her sets. And I think she's awesome. So definitely check her out. I'm trying to think what else. Like, just seeing how creative she is with such minimal things. This is a cardboard box. So, where is it? Yep. So she created a box out of it and put a mirror behind it and added lights to create that infinite thing. And yeah, so you should definitely check out Kimberly. She is insane. She's been going viral, and I think we all can learn from her that you don't need all the fancy products and things in order to make a artistic piece. We can do stuff with bare minimums or just buying something simple from like the dollar store. So definitely hope you all check her out and like her as much as I do. Have a good one.